Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am super excited because I am going to create the very first tutorial with Linda Hallberg Cosmetics' new Fusion Kit. This is, I would say, a palette of 5 crayons that are super amazing. You can use them as eyeshadows, as eyeliners, inliners, and lip liners. They have a new formula that is even softer, and you can use them even better in the waterline, at least I think. So today I'm going to show you how you can use them. I don't think I'm going to use all of them, but I'm going to use a few of them, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys so you can see all the colors. And I'm very excited about this because I have been waiting for this day for so long, and finally it's time to show you what you can do with these crayons. So let's do this. Well, how do you like the packaging? I think it looks great, and I think the first thing I'm going to do is to actually swatch all of the colors for you so you see how they look like. The first out is Delighted. That is a creamy, almost like a dark hot pink color. Then we have probably my favorite, that is Altair. That is orange metallic, the most amazing orange shade. Guilty is this teal, like a dark teal that is matte in the finish. And we have Vega, that is olive green with gold glitters inside. This one is really pretty. And we have Calf, and Calf is more of a like everyday smoky eye, grayish brown, almost towards purple. Which one is your favorite? Today I am going to use Guilty. It's a mood crayon, and also Delighted is also a mood crayon because they are matte. And then we have flash crayons. The other 3 are flash crayons. So 2 mood crayons and 3 flash crayons. So what I'm gonna do now is to do a little graphic liner. I love graphic liners. So I'm gonna do a graphic liner. And I'm very excited about this because I usually don't do graphic liners and stuff on video because it makes me feel like I get performance anxiety. So I'm gonna use Guilty Mood first of all, and I am going to create this nice little line here. Now it's pretty thin. I was thinking of doing this a little bit thicker actually. I'm gonna go over once more and do it thicker. And as you can see, it goes on really smooth. Okay, I'm gonna proceed with the other eye. And as these are waterproof but not oil proof, you have to remove them with oil, something that is oil based. So when I feel like I am happy and satisfied with the shape, I'm gonna go with Vega, that is the green with glitter, and I'm gonna use it in the middle of my eyelid to create a little effect. I think I'm also gonna do it up here. So like the middle part is greenish and the rest is teal. And underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go with Altair. That is orange, and look, I mean, just look at the payoff of this. And look at the shine and everything. It's so beautiful. I think this is a pretty cool look actually. What do you guys think? Should I do Guilty on my lips as well. Or should I stay just like this? Or maybe I should go with this. The pink one. Delighted Mood is a little bit different. It's especially for the lips, and it's a little bit transparent, so it adapts to your own lip color. So if you have darker lips, it will get darker, and if you have lighter lips, it will get lighter. You can either just use it as a lip liner or put it on the entire lip. This crayon is pretty much the same color as Fantastic Lipstick. Actually going to apply pop on top just for a little shine. I'm adding some blush too. Going in with the Infinity Deep palette, and I'm going with Quasar. That is orange because I just love an orange blush, and I think it will look great to this look. I think that my look is done. I might feel like I would go without the lips if I was supposed to go out, but I'm in love with these eyes, and I really hope that you guys is liking the Fusion Kit, and you can get the Fusion Kit at our website, at Kicks, and at Beauty Bay, and you find all the links down below, so you can just click on the links and go get your Fusion Kit. And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click like on the video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!